What's up, beautiful people? We are in West Palm Beach in the Lake Worth Inlet, just south of a little island called Peanut Island, which is just beautiful. This is our favorite spot away from Charleston. There is just so much to do here between snorkeling, scuba diving, spearfishing, sailing. It's just a beautiful place. Well, we've been here for a little bit, and now we are going to make another move. We are heading to Key Largo. So after our usual pre-checks and startup routine, we will get this party started. Start this sail about 100 miles. Gonna anchor right above a little island called Rodriguez Key and hang out there for a little bit. There's some great snorkeling there and scuba diving. There is a statue there called the Christ of the Deep statue, which is just really cool. If you've never done it, you might want to check that out. It is awesome. And we're hoping to do that. And then we're gonna hang out there for a little bit and have a little fun. So buckle up. This should be exciting. We're gonna have a good time. Let's do this. Who's that make? You ready for a boat ride? All right, well, after a long sail, we are here finally in Key Largo. We're at the Christ of the Abyss statue at a mooring ball. We're gonna do a little snorkeling. We made it here safe and sound. Might as well have a little fun while we're here. So this is a beautiful place. It's a little chippy this morning, some 2-foot waves, so it's a little treacherous. The statue's in about 30 feet of water. It's crystal clear, blue, beautiful. So it should be a nice snorkel. We'll have a little fun. We'll see what we can find.
Watch me, just follow every move. you wanted to. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. We don't have to leave.
It's a little tight in here.
Where are you headed?
We are heading into John Pennycamp State Park. We got a mooring goal there for 2 weeks. We got some heavy winds coming. This will be a good place to hide out.
What'd you do earlier today?
We dove the statue. We
Yeah.
got some cool video of that.
A couple barracuda,
Yeah. That was pretty awesome.
big fat grouper.
Yeah, I wanted to shoot it so bad.
No.
Park's look good, nice and quiet over here.
First time we haven't had boats flying past us.
I'm sure there'll be more boats coming. Ah, beautiful people of the internet. Thank you for watching our silly little show. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. We're having a good time sending it to you. Please subscribe. All you got to do is push a button. Super easy. There's a little bell apparently that you can click and it'll send you a little notification when we put a video up. We try to keep the videos around 8 minutes so that you don't wind up sitting through a bunch of stupid commercials, because I don't like commercials. You like commercials? I don't like commercials. So we figured out about 8 minutes should get rid of those commercials. I mean, 8 minutes is a lot anyway, right? So we try to put the good stuff up there instead of 30 minutes of just BS. So it's 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes of good stuff. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Come see us again.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you wanted to. Don't have what you need.